Let your little one care for stuffed animals and family pets alike with the fully stocked Vet Kit from Kids Lane. This kit features 17 durable pieces, including a stethoscope, syringe, food bowl, patient chart, and stuffed puppy. All the supplies your kid needs to get a head start on his or her animal care career. The set comes with a carrying case that transforms into a doghouse and an operating table. Just detach the cover. Everything fits back into the case for neat storage when it's time to clean up. Watch your kids learn the importance of caring for pets as they get caught up in bandaging a wounded puppy, giving a cat its shots, or taking a bunny's temperature with the Kids Lane Vet Kit.